Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to feature this brand new Cherokee Gray Wolf Limited package. It's a 25 rear lounge. It's extremely lightweight, easy to pull. Just waiting for Mom and Pop to grab this thing and head down south or out west. This is aerodynamic, lightweight. Comes with all the power you need. Make it easy on Dad hooking up with this power tongue jack. Our units all come with full LP, a starter kit, cleaned, a training program, a starter kit. This is gas electric on the water heater. It's a quick recovery, 6 gallon. There's your weight, 4741 dry. You can carry a whole bunch of cargo with you too. Let you focus on those numbers for a second. You can hit pause if you want to get a little better look at any of them. Low point drain. Your cable hookup. Dump station. Unit has self-adjusting brakes, easy lube axles. There's your outside shower. Water fill, electric outlet. Got the nice carrier on the back. Electric stabilizing jacks with a spare. It's a beauty. Got the extensions on the rain gutters to keep the sides from getting black streaks. Electric awning. Outside under the awning you got a place to mount a TV. You've got outlets, you've got the cable. Come on inside, we'll take a look at this. Got a nice big, oh my goodness, grab handle to get in. There's your rear lounge, couch, end tables, fiberglass fiber shades. Sleeps up to 6. Big country style sink with a Moen style pull out. 3 burner stove. There's your dinette. Makes a bed. Storage under each side. TV mounts there. All your inside and outside lights. Electric awning. Very roomy for a non-slide. Nice big Norcold refrigerator. Separate freezer. Really nice walk-through bathroom. Fantastic fan. Acts like a whole house fan. Nice big shower. And the master bedroom. Outlets and end tables and lights for both sides of the bed. Plenty of storage. TV mount. Give us a call, Mom and Pop. This one's ready to hook up and go. You don't even need a big tow vehicle for this one. Less than 5,000 pounds. Give us a call at Paul Sherry's. Email or call. We'll take good care of you.